General Power of Attorney versus Special Power of Attorney, NRI Power of Attorney, GPA versus SPA. Making an Indian Power of Attorney can be a confusing process, especially if you are residing outside of India. Without the proper knowledge and guidance, you may end up wasting your time and resources following a process only to end up with an invalid Power of Attorney. In this process, we will explore some of the important differences between GPAs and SPAs. For more videos on useful Indian law topics, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. General Power of Attorney versus Special Power of Attorney. We now look at some key differences between a GPA and a SPA. Restricted powers. The attorney in a SPA cannot exercise any other power beyond the scope of the document. Let's take an example. An NRI gives a special power of attorney to his relative to represent him in his property matter in court. The SPA will specify that the relative is only allowed to represent the NRI in court, so the relative will not be able to exercise powers outside of what is mentioned in the document. For example, the relative will not be able to sell the property. General powers. If you wish for your attorney to act for you in a different matter, or go beyond the scope of the powers mentioned in the SPA, you will have to make another power of attorney authorizing them accordingly. However, with a GPA, they may be able to complete all tasks within the general scope of the GPA without the need for any other authorization. More than one SPA. Usually you can make several different SPAs with different agents, attorneys for each. However, with a GPA, a broader or several powers are usually given to one agent. Expiration or cancellation. A special power of attorney expires on the completion of the specified task. Once the task mentioned in the document has been completed, the SPA cannot be used for anything else. Therefore, it ends up becoming unusable. For example, a SPA to sell a property can no longer be used for anything else after the said property has been sold. In contrast with a GPA, which either will expire upon a date or event specifically mentioned in the document, or if nothing is specified, then it can only be cancelled if revoked through a deed of revocation. Risk. A GPA will empower a person to carry out a range of activities on your behalf. For example, management of a property may include selling, leasing, and upkeep, etc. With a SPA, you can limit the powers to a specific task, such as just leasing and upkeep. Therefore, a SPA will carry less risk of abuse of power by the attorney due to its limited scope. For assistance with your Indian Power of Attorney, call us on 0208 7575 751 or use our contact form to get in touch with our team today.